What's happening, folks? Thanks for hitting up the channel. I'm Andy, your electric geek, and today I have a pretty special unbox for me anyway, and that is Arrow's 4K collector's edition of Robocop. Now, this is my second favourite movie, and if you follow the channel already, I also do deep dives into the kind of technical side of 4K Blu-ray, review them and whatnot. So I'm not going to say too much about the film because I'll do that in that video, which will be available shortly. But for this one, we're just going to have a good look at this collector's edition and have a look at what's inside and what you can expect should you take the plunge. So before I start, the reason I went for this particular edition and not the steelbook is because I already have the limited edition Arrow steelbook of the standard Blu-ray release. Now, it is a cracking transfer. It's the same mastering that they're using on this one, but I just love that artwork, and the 4K steelbook is pretty much just the exact same. So that was why I thought I'd mix it up and go for the box set this time around. So I made a wee Blue Peter, one I made earlier, incision into this so I can open it easier, but I will be opening it along with you guys. Okay, so first impressions, I like the artwork, really smart, typical of kind of Arrow's original artwork. I'm not sure who the artist is, but I like it. So on the slip, as I say, I'll cover more in the full review, but you can see it's got an absolute horde of special features, and you'll see there that one of the main upgrades technically is that it has Dolby Atmos, and my understanding is that it's also got Dolby Vision with regards to HDR, but I can't actually see anything on the box. But as I say, I'll cover that in the video that's to follow. So let's get it opened up. So let's start with the main event, and that is of course Robocop on 4K. So it's just the same artwork that's on the box set, but in the 4K packaging obviously, and on the back, excluding the OCP logo in the background, it's just the same text telling you what to expect special features wise and whatnot. Inside, this property is protected by Robocop, alright. Is that your art cards? So the art cards are inside the box, which is pretty cool. Let's have a look. Yeah, Robocop, part of the montage, and he takes on the guy in the shop. Ed 209, about to obliterate that guy into oblivion. That's a classic scene, the old cock shot. Robocop finding out about Directive 4 the hard way. And the whole "who's that guy" scene. Yeah, quality picture of Robocop. So pretty cool. On the rear of them, that's nice artwork as well. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I don't know if that was an old poster or something, or if it's exclusive, but yeah, it's just the same on them all. So the cards are pretty nice. The disc artwork is pretty much the same as you've just seen on my steelbook. So disc 1 is the director's cut, full on gore, and disc 2 has your theatrical cut. And I think there's another edited for TV version on this that wasn't on the previous one. So that's pretty cool, and I'm looking forward to checking that out. So that's the 4K itself. Then we get this meaty booklet, which is again got that artwork on. That's on the steelbook, and the same one that's on the card on the back. So a little flick through this. Won't go through every page. I love that. Dead or Alive Become With Me. If you watch my videos, you'll notice I also have that on this little band that I've got from Last Exit to Nowhere. I think they're really cool. You should check them out. But yeah, I pretty much wear this every day. I rotate them in and out, but I like my Robocop one. Anyway, I digress. But yeah, let's have a look at this booklet. Casting crew, original production notes, Robocop Rob, loads of different stuff there, not just images. I hate it when it's just images in a booklet. So it looks like it's going to be a proper good read, and just what you want if you're a massive fan of Robocop like I am. So I'll definitely look forward to having a read through that. My steelbook does have a little booklet as well, but it's definitely not as thick or as detailed as this. So look forward to getting stuck in. Brilliant. So that's your booklet. Sorry, I should have covered earlier that on the back of this, it's just Omni Consumer Products and your little like J-card thing. Then that brings us on to the poster. And then of course you have your double-sided poster, which is just the newly commissioned artwork that's on the box set itself. I really like that they've got this like ghostly image of Peter Weller and like Murphy, Alex Murphy in the background. I just think that's really, really cool. Because you don't often see him featuring, and obviously Robocop's a lot more iconic in that form, but it's cool that they have him in because he is a massive part of it, and I think he was really, really well cast as Alex Murphy in Robocop. But yeah, really cool poster. And then on the back you have the artwork that's on the steelbook. Part man, part machine, all cop. Really cool. So there you have it, Arrow's limited edition Robocop 4K box set. I'm pleased with it. It's really nice. I've got a few box sets now from various different labels. I think you know what you're kind of getting with Arrow. Really comprehensive, and I'm looking forward to diving into that booklet. And I can't wait to watch the film 4K and let you know what I think of that and give you the deep dive on it. And by the way, this is a sticker. I thought this was just a daft leaflet, but you can actually see that it's a sticker. So being the total geek that I am, that'll definitely be getting applied somewhere around my home or in something that I own at some point. So yeah, I've not seen that before, but pretty cool. Yeah folks, so let me know in the comments what you think of this box set. Did you go for it yourself? Are you waiting on the pre-order, or did you go for the steelbook? I'd love to know your thoughts. As I say, I like getting back to you on there, so please drop your comments. And if you enjoyed the video, of course, remember to give it a wee like and consider subscribing to the channel. Certainly if you want to see the 4K review of Robocop, but for other unboxings, there's plenty of stuff on there I've done already, so please consider checking it out if you're into this kind of thing. Physical media is not dead, well certainly not on this channel, it isn't anyway. I've been Andy the Electric Geek, take care, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for your cooperation. Good night.